Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the vibration while ringing in this device. So now I am going to make a call to this number, then you can see here the vibration, you can feel, right? So now I will show you how to enable or disable the vibration while ringing in this device. Simply go to settings. Now here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Tap on this one. Now here you can see the option vibrate while ringing. Disable this option. Now again I am going to make a call. Now the vibration is disabled, only the ringtone is enabled. So simply in this way, if you want to enable the vibration, just turn on this option. Okay, so simply in this way you can enable or disable the vibration while ringing in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.